Ever pondered over the question, how private is my online activity? In this digital age, it's a question that often leads us down the rabbit hole of online privacy and security. In a world where data has become the new gold, protecting personal information stands paramount. Enter the realm of VPNs, virtual private networks. Among the many available, one stands out in particular, the IPVanish VPN app, a knight in shining armor, if you will, in the battle against online privacy breaches. The IPVanish VPN app opens the door to a world where online privacy isn't an afterthought, but a priority. It lets you surf the internet anonymously, masking your IP address and protecting your personal data from prying eyes. The beauty of this app lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Install it and you embark on a journey of anonymous surfing. The world of international websites and apps, once barred due to geo-restrictions, is now at your fingertips. But the IPVanish VPN app doesn't stop at mere access. It ensures your online journey is secure, private, and free from unwanted surveillance. It's not just a gate pass to the online world. It's your personal armored vehicle navigating the often treacherous terrain of the internet. So, what have we discovered today? The question of online privacy is not one to be taken lightly. The IPVanish VPN app provides a solution, offering anonymous surfing and access to international websites and apps. It acts as your personal shield in the vast digital universe, protecting your data from potential threats. Remember, in this digital age, your online privacy is a treasure worth guarding. And with the IPVanish VPN app, you have a reliable guardian. Whether you're an Android devotee or an Apple aficionado, the IPVanish VPN app is available for both platforms. So why wait? Start your journey towards enhanced online privacy today. Because in the grand scheme of things, it's not just about accessing the internet, it's about accessing it securely and privately. In a world where your digital footprint can be tracked, make sure yours is a ghost print. IPVanish VPN app, your companion in the journey towards a secure and private online experience.